All right, students, once you're logged on, you'll have access to all of the resources here. And let's go to Student Resources and look at what middle school resources we have. When we click on this, I want to introduce you to some of the resources that we'll use in social studies. The first one is called Britannica Middle School. If you click on that, this is a great resource for bringing up information and different types of media on different topics. They have a really engaging opening page that has a daily carousel that changes. They have articles, images, videos, biographies, a world atlas. They have a comparison of country feature, tour the USA, and they also have a way for you to save content to a folder. If we were interested in searching on a particular topic, let's say the Constitutional Convention, we can pull up all of the information, a little article about the Constitutional Convention, which will give us a good overview. We can change the reading level. We can also look at related images and videos that are related to this topic and any other related resources, perhaps people that were involved with the Constitutional Convention. So the Britannica School is a great resource for you to get started with your research on a different topic. Let's go back to our middle school resources, and now let's look at Explora. I will be doing another video on the ins and outs of Explora, but this is a great resource for you. On this page, you can see that they have things categorized into different things. Let me just draw your attention right here to the current issues. Since we will be studying current events, this would be a great resource for you to see some of the many different current common issues that are being discussed, and if you need help trying to define an issue or locate an issue, this would be a good resource for you. But at any rate, if you have something that you're wanting to explore, let's say maybe the issue of gun violence, you can type that into the search bar, and when you come up with the results, you'll see a variety of results. We'll learn more about refining your searches. But when you see a result that you like, notice that many of them have PDF full text. So when you click on that, you will actually get the actual article. So a wonderful resource for you to use. And again, we will be just exploring this in a later video. Going back to our Explora our AVL middle school resources, we have Kids InfoBits. This is a little bit below your grade level, but I want to mention it because some of you may be in the position to help a younger brother or younger sister, or you might be interested in some of the things that they have here. We can search different things, and let's say we're interested in the Constitution. I misspelled it. But it's going to bring up a variety of types of content, books, biographies, pictures, magazines, and news. And some of you, since you're doing projects that require images, this is a great way to find things that are helpful for that. Okay, so that's Kids InfoBits. The reading level on this is a little bit lower. Now let's go to Research in Context. More research articles that are on your grade level. They're organized into different topics down here. For example, government, geography would be particularly of interest to us. Or again, we can search in the search bar. So let's look up Constitution. And I can't spell today, guys. And it pulls up an introductory paragraph where you can read more, but it also contains different things, reference items. You can see there's 241 references, biographies, images, videos, audios, magazines, all types of things, primary sources, which will be important for us in this class. So this is a wealth of information. This is called Research in Context. And then the last one I want to show you is called the World Data Analyst. This is neat for looking up, when we study geography, we can look up different things about a country. So you can see here it's got Afghanistan, and we can simply search for the country that we're interested in, and it will pull up different information about that country. Different facts, a map, history, statistics, all kinds of good things. We can also, there's also a feature where you can compare countries. So I hope through this you found that there are several resources through middle school that will be of interest to us. The Britannica Middle School, Explora, Kids InfoBits, Research in Context, and World Data Analyst. There may be times where some of you would want to go over to the high school resources, and there's more there. And in particular, as we talk about current events and opposing viewpoints, there's something called Opposing Viewpoints in Context, as well as Points of View Reference Center. And you'll see some of the same types of resources that you saw in the middle school. So I hope that you've enjoyed this, and you will get much more experience in working with these.